Hello guys, welcome back to the Fishing Clash game. So, today's event is Return of the Legendary, and this event at Dubai Fishery. How is the mission? And what are the rewards? Let's see it together. Okay, let's look at the mission first. So there are 5 missions that we have to complete. And the first mission is Cobia. So we are told to catch the Cobia fish with maximum point of 67 euro. The second mission is Streaks. So we are told to play Win a Streak with the Cobia fish. The third mission is Fishing Battle. The fourth mission is Challenge. And the last mission is High Graders. This is combination mission. If you can complete the mission, you will get extra rewards. Okay, now let's see the reward. So, there are 10 reward boxes, and each reward box is different. You can check the rewards when you enter the event. If you can reach the last reward box, you will get 500 pearls. Okay guys, now I will play Streaks mission first. So let's play... I got an easy opponent. Okay, I win. I got an easy opponent again. I need 3 more wins to complete the win streak. Okay, next. Hopefully I win. And yes, I win again. last duel. Hopefully I can win. Okay, I have completed the Streaks mission, and I have got the reward box, so let's claim it. Okay, now let's go back to the event to complete another mission. Okay guys, now I will try to catch the best point for the cobia fish, so let's catch it. I got new record point for the cobia fish. Okay, I got the next reward box, so let's claim it. Nice! I got 13 stars, the cobia fish. I got the next reward box again, so let's claim it. Now let's go back again to the event to complete another mission. Next, I will play Fishing Battle. I will skip the video until I finish Fishing Battle so that the video is not too long. Okay, I have finished Fishing Battle and I have reached the next reward box, so let's claim it. Now let's go back again to the event to complete another mission. Next, I will play the challenge mission. I will skip this video until I reach the next reward box, so that the video is not too long. I have completed the challenge mission, and I have reached the next reward box, so let's claim it. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and ring the bell so you don't miss the latest videos from this channel. See you again at another interesting event in the Fishing Clash game.